Dab, what are you doing?
I'm photosynthesizing.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Album. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Yeah, so I woke up guys and I was in my room for a second and there's a painting there. For some strange reason, painting just spoke to me. I don't think there's ever been a painting like I've looked at it and been like, oh, that's cool, but that one definitely spoke to me. It just reminded me like of like country life, if I catch water and everything. But anyway, great picture. What we're gonna be doing right now is that we're gonna be making breakfast for Dono and the Dean and stuff, and hopefully we can go to Starbucks today. Judah wants to do that. I don't want to go to Starbucks. You want to?
No, I want to go to Cafe Blue. I don't want to go to Starbucks. Why? Because Starbucks sucks and it's really expensive.
Alright, so Judah over here doing some scrambled eggs. I already did the French toast. Alright, I'll show you guys. I know you guys are inquisitive like that. Boom! French toast are done. And she's gonna make some bacon as well. Alright, so breakfast is served. Don't know, Devin's here. We got our French toast. Yeah, you guys know what's up. We're about to eat these bad things and enjoy ourselves. Alright, so breakfast was really good. I enjoyed it. Now we're about, well, I'm gonna try to get some drone shots to show you guys like the property, what it's like and everything like that. So yeah, and then we're gonna be heading out. It's 12 o'clock checkout. And Donna's gonna take us to a hidden spot. I really wanted to go to Doctor's Cave or something like that, but change of plans. Alright, so you guys might realize it's super windy out. Very, very windy, but that's expected. We're just off on the seafront. I just showed you guys the drone shots. I hope you guys appreciated it because like drones and the wind don't really get along so well. It's really hazardous to fly them in this type of conditions. But yo, a couple months ago we never had a drone for the whole vlog, so it's great that we could have gotten those shots. You guys could have seen it. I wish I could have done more of those shots to give you more of a perception, but had to take as many as I could safely and bring the drone back down. But anyway, we're getting ready to leave right now and head to the hidden spot that Dono had recommended. Hopefully it's gonna live up to the hype and I'll show you guys that and get you some drone shots there as well. So we've been here for a minute now trying to teach you this stick shift thing. Yeah, we're just on the hills on a slight little slope trying to get her to catch it. It's not as easy as it sounds, but yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Dono and Davine, they're back there, back this way, looking at that beach spot. If it's good enough, we'll go there. Wow, we're moving, Sway. We are moving.
Finally did it.
Yeah. Alright, so we just did that whole driving thing and she did pretty good. She did pretty good for the first time. Now she's having, what's that, red hot? Yeah. But anyway, to show you guys, where they are. They're somewhere over there. They could drive down there, my car couldn't, so we just parked it over there. So yeah, whenever we get there, we'll show you guys what's up. Alright guys, we found them. They're way over there. Damn. Alright. Yeah, this is the free parts of Jamaica, like. It's a free beach, why not, you know? And it's so windy here because, yo, place hot, B. Jamaica has been like super hot, like on average maybe 33 degrees Celsius, so we can get by some hot wind and some nice scenery, why not?
What you doing?
Capturing you walking. Yo, look at these roads. There's no way I could have driven through this. But anyway, we got to Donald's vehicle. So we're getting closer. Yeah, finally got to like the beach. Well, it's not really a beach, but you know what I mean. Finally there. Yeah, I even took my drone and all this shit for this shit.
That's crazy.
No, when I say walking up there ain't worth it.
Oh, okay.
That over there is worth it.
We just
discovered the spot in this case.
And we came up here. Come on.
This isn't the spot, you know. The spot I had in mind was further.
I know. That's why I was like, why are we even here? Like wasting daylight.
Yo, you wanted to check it? You wanted to try manual? You wanted to move your man stick?
The stick. Okay. Okay. That we brought about I know, Donald.
Oh, no.
Anyway, for those of you who don't know what it means by sports mode in your Crocs, I'm gonna show you guys right now. So that's Crocs in cruise control. You want to kick it in the sports mode. You flip this little thing back here, pop it up. Booyah! Alright, so in some ways I guess it is a beach, like these parts. It's so soft. Soft, right? So soft. I find this interesting because like there's a flow of water like going straight out to the sea. Like I don't understand. I'm not sure of any rivers being up there, but interesting. Alright, so we just got to the top of this little pier thing here. Man-made, man-built, whatever you want to call it. And yeah.
No, the shoe. They kind of.
Oh, doing?
I'm photosynthesizing.
Yo.
Embrace your inner leaf, okay?
Alright.
Embrace it.
I feel it.
Fully there, idiot. We're fully there, idiot.
Do that pose again. I wanna what you call it?
Clickbait! Clickbait!
Oh my. No, just be natural. That whole photo says that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Come on, clickbait the ball.
Move this in there, because Chichip's about to go there. Alright, go again. No!
Leave out, my girl, leave.
Flip out. What the hell?
I didn't, bro.
The direction of the flow, bro.
Yeah,
That's
so
what-
everybody's
exactly.
tripping out of the water coming back. Someone fell this and said that it was feeling cold.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna be heading to that hidden beach that Donald said he's gonna take us through, so I'll catch you guys there.
Alright guys, so we just got to this spot. You guys might know it. It's like some type of scenic view type of thing out here. But I'll show you guys what's happening. So it goes all the way down there and there's steps. Some steps to take you off down there, so yeah. I'll be going down there, giving you guys some good shots so you guys can maybe stop off here, because I would be passing this place like every single time, because yeah, it's just on the way to Kingston anyway. Alright, so we are heading down to this little spot right here. And it's pretty dope. It's pretty chill so far.
So like, how much girls you bring here, don't know?
Yeah, for real. How many? Why you not answering?
You know, what's up?
Alright, so how would you pretty much describe like where this is located?
So there's a monument near the port at where is this? This is near Tinger. What name? Discover Bay, I think.
Discover Bay?
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna pop this up on Google Maps and then show you guys. Alright, so my internet kind of sucks at the moment. I think my data, I use up all the gigs, whatever the case is, but yeah. Runaway Bay is there, and we're just off here.
Alright guys, so this is the vibe, man. It's just a nice vibe. It's just secluded, just us here. Someone was kayaking past. So I think there's like a resort somewhere over there maybe. And yeah. I'm gonna get some drone shots, get you guys a better idea. Oh my god, my packs. Alright guys, so that was pretty cool. We just came here, chilled this little spot. You know.
You never had a live audience before?
Facts. Anyway, we're getting ready to leave. Donna has a what? A
Studio.
huh? Nice babe.
Studio something.
Studio something. Yeah. So we're gonna head there. And,
No,
yeah.
what must do?
So I'll catch you guys at that point, or yeah, you guys will know what's up. You
I wanted to do
You
that.
wanna end the video?
You
Okay.
expected me to
Embrace
remember
three things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.
that?